Hello, viewers. This is Dr. Abraham Joseph, Money Matters, fifth part. Today we'll be covering about brokers, large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Before I proceed today, many of people have requested me to know about myself, so I would like to give a brief aspect about myself. I was working as a professor of commerce in the Department of Collegiate Education in Government of Karnataka. I worked from 1985 to 2007, almost 22 years. Then for 5 years, I worked as a professor in Christ University, Bangalore, that is 2007 to 2012. Then I went to abroad, Bahrain, Kingdom of Bahrain. I was working as the head of the corporate training center from 2013 to 2018. Then I came back to India and Bangalore. I worked as a dean and principal of certain MBA colleges from 2018 to 2023. I conducted almost more than 200 corporate training program to big companies like JSW, Kirloskar Electricals, Academic Staff Colleges of Karnataka University, Dharwad, Bangalore University, and Kerala University, Trivandrum, and Goa University also. I had my PhD in 2008. The topic was employee empowerment as sectoral analysis. I've also authored a few books called Mind the Miracle Maker. In fact, Mind the Miracle Maker made a lot of miracle in my life. And also I have co-authored a book called Disaster Management for Bangalore University, Bangalore North University. Today we shall see what are the topics to be covered. We will be covering about brokers, what are the different types of brokers. There are two kinds of brokers, discount brokers and full service brokers. Then we will study about the large cap, mid cap, and small cap companies with the examples of which companies are representing there. Okay, we'll cover it later on. Hello viewers, let us continue the fifth day program on Introduction to Share Market Trading. Today we shall study about brokers. What are the different kinds of brokers and who are actually brokers? Brokers are those who are the intermediary between investors and stock exchange, through whom we can buy or sell stocks. See, in the beginning I told you we need to have a demat account. We have to open a demat account with any of the brokers. So without demat account we cannot buy any shares or we cannot sell also. Demat account is just like, as I told you, it's a bank account. In bank we keep money, in a demat account we keep our securities in the form of digital form. We can open any number of demat account with different brokers. With one broker you can open only one account, but you have the freedom to open as many accounts with different brokers in order to get various types. And even with normally some brokers ask for the opening account, there is like Zerodha and all. Remaining it is free to open. I will go in detail about that. There are broadly two types of brokers. One is called discount brokers. Now the discount broker term itself says that they charge you less. Let us see examples of such companies. They are like Zerodha, Upstock, Angel One, and Grow, etc. They are generally considered low-cost brokers. I mean, they will not charge huge amount as their brokerage and all. Of course, everybody charges the other charges. Of course, along with the brokerage charges, some other charges also will come. But these discount brokers normally gives or charges less amount on the brokerages. Otherwise, remaining all amount you have to pay, whatever you have to pay as brokerages, whatever you have to pay to the government and all, we need to pay. Second category is known as the full service brokers. They provide a lot of services, benefits, information so as to take correct timely decisions. So such companies are called ICICI Services, HDFC Securities, Motilal Oswal. They generally provide more services and of course they will charge more also. I would suggest for the beginners you can consider discount brokers as they are, discount brokers as they are little more cash effective. They will normally charge you less. Now I'm not recommending any one of that. You have to choose yourself. If you want to study about these various discount brokers, you can go to ChatGPT and ask which one is the effective one. Then let us now cover what is by large, mid and small cap companies. Now, I think in the beginning I told about these large and mid and small cap companies. In all, there are 8,000 companies listed with the stock exchange in India. We'll concentrate only on some of the most important companies which are considered to be having market capitalization of more than 5,000 crores. So large cap companies means there are almost 100 companies with a market capitalization of more than 50,000 crores. So these are the well established and financially sound companies. They are already there in the market since a long time, maybe more than 10 years, 20 years, 25 years. Of course, some of the companies recently started, companies like Sriram Finance and all are very new companies, not more than 10 to 15 years. They are within that. These are the companies with the low risk and stable returns. If you invest in these companies, the chances of risk or losing the capital, entire capital, is absolutely nil. And they have got stable returns of 10 to 15% or 10 to 12%, depending upon the years. But on an average, if you keep it for a longer period of time, as I told you, 15 to 18% is sure. So it's also known as Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50. So Nifty 50 plus Next 50, in all together it is 100. So it is ranked 1 to 100. So some of the examples, I am telling you some 2 or 3 companies only. Reliance Industry, HDFC Bank, TCS, L&T and Hindustan Unilever, etc. are coming in this category. Then next one is mid-cap companies. Mid-cap companies, there are in all 150 mid-cap companies. The market capital of these mid-cap companies is more than 20,000 crores. So consider they are the potentially high potential for high growth. Moderate risk is there. Little more risk is here than the large cap companies. They are suitable for long-term investment. So in case of a large cap company also, they are suitable for long term. And here the mid cap companies are, because if the risk is too much, the risk profitability also too much. So that way this is classified. This is ranked from 101 to 250. So 100 plus another 150, in all it comes to 250. Now let us see what are some of the examples of mid cap companies. You might have heard about Crompton Greaves, Tube Investment, ABB India, all will come in this category. And the third one is small cap companies. There are 250 companies. Small cap companies have market cap of more than 5,000. So if the market cap is more than 5,000, and best companies again, these are the high growth potential companies with high risk and more volatile and also suitable for aggressive investors. Those who are, okay, let us see, those who are ready to take some risk, such kind of people will invest here. So they are ranked from 251 to 500 companies. Examples of such companies are called Deepak Fertilizer, Kaplan Point Lab and Signity Technologies and all those things. So I have taken very few companies. You can search which are the companies that are coming in large cap, mid cap, small cap companies in Google or in ChatGPT. Okay, this is all about today. Have a wonderful day. We will cover more interesting aspects tomorrow, and we will have another this week. I will cover all this. By Saturday or Sunday next, I will be completing almost 10 sessions. Thank you very much. Please comment, subscribe and share it, and also let me know on what topic you would like to have the programs. Thank you very much. Nice of you. Take care. Bye.